Hey, mic check 1 2. We going to the beach and going fishing, dude. Welcome to Bushwick's fishing channel. Fishing charter, fishing champ. I'm headed to the beach. Chop up the deuces. Here we go. Grab the fishing pole.
Let's rock and roll and see what the beach has to offer. Welcome to the channel, Bushwick Fishing Charter. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. We got an outgoing tide, and I might catch, I don't know, looking good though. Might get my butt whooped out here. We'll see how it goes. Let's get rigged up. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. We should give you a good shot though, huh? We're gonna try this beach till sunset. Look at the little birdie over there posted up. Alright, here we go. Let's get rigged up. We're going with the Rapala. See what we got going on out here. Yeah, sure looks good. I see some bait moving over here. First cast. I always get the first cast. Ooh, that tide's ripping. I need to cast more to the right. Damn, that tide's ripping. Oh, beat that out. Yeah, there's bait moving. Oh, there's a little nibble. Come on, there's gotta be a... Yeah, there's a couple sitting over here, I'm sure. Watch out for them stingrays. Come on. Where's Megalodon? Alright, new tactic. Be right back. This is how we do it. Smaller presentation. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. Let's see what's going on out here. It's kind of mucky. It's not too clear. It's really warm though. Really warm. Low and slow with the paddle tail. Sometimes you just can't go wrong with the electric chicken. Maybe I should try some top water here in a little bit. Good action. Looks good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna bounce around, get hooked up here. Here we go. Let's change it up. Man, low tide, outgoing. Might have to do some night fishing and some night filming. Let's see what's going on down here. Water feels cooler and it's looking more clear. And we got rocks and crabs. I like it. Man, that current's ripping. Whoa. What's going on over there by that buoy? Yep, looking good. Looks like a meal to me. Yeah, it's getting quiet, I know. I can't even get a nibble or nothing. They knew that. Uh-oh, there went a little bite. They not like me. I did just get a little bump right there. As soon as I said no nibble. Yeah, look at that. He tried to pull it off.